If you want to turn a landscape video into a portrait video in CapCut PC, you're in the right place. This is a super quick edit, and it's perfect if you want to repurpose a horizontal clip for TikTok, Shorts, Reels, or any vertical social media platform. In this tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to change your project from landscape to portrait without wasting time. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and load the project you want to edit. If you already have a video saved in your project, just open it up so you can make the ratio change right away. Once your project is open, make sure you can see the timeline at the bottom and the preview window at the top. This is where you'll control the format of your video. Next, add your landscape video to the timeline if it isn't there already. You can drag and drop the clip into your project, and CapCut will place it on the timeline for editing. Since the video is currently in landscape, it will look wider across the screen. That's completely normal. We're about to change the project format so it fits a portrait layout instead. Now look below the preview window and find the ratio option. This is the setting that controls the shape and size of your canvas. Click on Ratio, and CapCut will show you several aspect ratio options. These presets are useful because they let you quickly switch your video into different formats without manually resizing everything from scratch. From the list of ratios, select 9:16, which is the portrait format. As soon as you choose 9:16, CapCut will convert the project into a vertical layout. This is the standard size for mobile-first content like YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, and Instagram Reels. Your landscape clip may now appear smaller inside the frame, so you may need to adjust the position or scale later if you want it to fill the screen better. If the video doesn't fit perfectly after switching to portrait, you can click on the clip in the timeline and use the transform controls to zoom in, reposition, or crop the video so it looks cleaner in the vertical frame. That way, your subject stays centered and the final result looks more professional. This is especially helpful if you want to make your content look native to short-form platforms. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've changed a landscape video into a portrait video in CapCut PC. It's one of the easiest ways to repurpose content for vertical platforms, and once you know where the ratio setting is, you can do it in seconds. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more quick CapCut tips, and comment below if you want more simple editing guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.